So good. Which one's yours now? So cute. You're just a bundle of joy. Yeah, you talk a lot too, don't you? Oh, yes, I see. What is that? Oh, did somebody growl at you? Oh, to what happened there? Now, Corey, you need to come. Hi, guys. Corey, go sit down. They are so cute. Yes, you are. I know. It's a tough world. Yes, it is. And you're just starting to find out how... What's all this about? What's all this about? Oh, dear. Oh, there. Now I got you. Now I got you. What do you say now? There you go. Look at Ma. Look at Ma.
Up it up it up it up it up. Oh, hi. How cute are you?